Hi, welcome to my channel again. I'm about to play Zombie Attack. I used to play this game a lot. I still play it, just a little. I saved up a lot of money. Well, not a lot compared to like your money or something. If you're like a pro or something, unlike me. But I saved up a lot to get this machine gun. Let's get it. Let's go. We just got a machine gun. This is awesome. Go. Oh yes, it's my favorite map. The island. And I also got a new mic because my older one is just like not good. And I also got a new knife, the heat. I like it because it actually makes a flipping effect, and it's huge. Let's go. Well, I just shredded that dude. This gun is OP. It's gonna be pretty hard to aim it though. Yo, give me that grenade. It's making me lag. Stun grenade. I really like this mic a lot better than my old one. But it's still kind of low, so I can't put it my volume super high. I think if you hold your knife, you go a little bit faster. Or I think it depends on knife you're using, maybe. I don't know. Knife. It's like literally now my favorite knife. It is huge. I also wish it doesn't have that shift locked effect when you do it. Oh my god, I'm shredding this thing. This thing is so good. This thing is so much better than a Tommy gun. It's the best gun. I'm shooting them through this. Shooting me, man. I'm gonna push you off. This kid was just floating in the air. Are you crazy? Did you just... You're actually trash. Let's check the... You're doing a pretty good job of killing the zombies. Really cannot aim with this thing. Aiming is forbidden with this gun. Its hitbox is huge. Not the hitbox, like this aiming thing is so. If you just keep holding it, it's actually huge. This is a good time to just... You can fire. shredding those. This is the boss is coming. Let's get our heat out. Flex our heat on them haters. Another super speed. Oh my god, we're so fast right now. A Molotov. Hit the Molotov. Also, FYI. Oh my god, bruh. FYI, you can only have one of each superpower. Somebody's going up. They're slicing it. It's dying from sadness. I'm shredding it with my machine gun. Yeah, so lucky. It just stuck on the wall. Bruh, I am actually shredding this. Server is really full of Really, I did all the work. Well, most of the work. They did barely anything. But I'll give them some credit for doing barely anything. Bruh, his body is still lying there. Did we like not kill him entirely? Why do all the people, why do all the zombies just go for me? Wait, be right back. Okay, we're back. I mean, we did what we got. We got our, like, minigun thing, and I tested it out. I really wanted it to be a My Restaurant video, but I just wanted to show you guys this. So let's get into this My Restaurant, guys. Okay. Well, I kind like for the after like the second floor video, I just got like 10 extra minutes of playtime, and I got 10K. So let's go. Oh yeah. Also, forgot to mention Preston has a beer now. You don't know. I only placed the marble counter, and then when I placed that marble counter, that video was already like almost an hour. So we only got regular stoves here. I want better stoves. So let's go get a few better stoves. No. Oh, yeah, stainless stove. No, better stoves. I want to stain. That's too expensive. Yeah, we'll get 3 of these better stoves, guys. And what else? Yeah, I'll get a few more chairs. We just need 3. Spend 3 Anyways, we have $1,000 to spare, so if we need more money. Wait. Are people having trouble cooking? Should I help them all? Let's go to the second floor. Let's decorate this place. Not you, cheap stove. Get out. Yeah, bears. Let's get these stoves. Let's pin them to the wall here. 1, 2, 3. No. We need. Let's work on the outside first. Let's get these marble counters. Oh my god, I need. Okay, we're gonna need more stuff. We need an ordering station and more sinks. It has to take. Okay, wait. I don't think we need another order station out there. Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. So let's just stand here. Let's farm here. Yeah. Preston leveled up. Stefan's pretty close to level 30. Oh my god. Stan just turned blonde. Wait, no, I thought I saw 2 dudes. No, Bob just turned blonde. Boys, let's go. Okay, let's put that there, that there. Okay, we alright. So we need a few dishwashers. Let's get some dishwashers. Let's get a double sink and let's get a sink. Wait, we need an ordering thing. And we need some. We'll get one of these. One of these. One of these. Let's go here and let's do this. Place a double sink. Place like maybe that there. Let's get an order stand. Place that here. Get another marble counter. Get a I can't even talk. Get a marble counter corner. Okay, where are all those? Get a sink. Then let's get some marble counters now. And then yeah, I have a kitchen. Just like that. Let's get let's get down our better stoves. I'm gonna get down 2 regular stoves. Now let's get down our tables and booths. Now where should we start? Let's start over here. Maybe I should like do it like this time. Change it up a bit. That'll cost 2. So I'll just do this. get a modern. Wait, why do I have so much modern table? How about you? Wait, put this. I have to like make these like right next. Like they have to be touching each other. So I slowed up. Alright, they're actually coming here. Okay, we need more. I want more chairs. I live with them chairs. Yay, someone just bought a gumball. Those gumball things, when you just buy them, they don't give you much. But then, after a long time, they actually give you a lot of stuff. A lot. Some money. People start buying them more, I guess. What? Okay, let's go. Okay, I think we're just gonna have a lot of tables left over. Because our second floor can't even take this much. Food. Yeah. Let's go to the second floor. Go over here. There's some red booths down. All these bar stools have nothing. Alright, maybe the kitchen is pretty small. Yeah, let's change up our kitchen. Done. Maybe we can do this. Do this. Do this. I'm gonna have to do some wood for now. No, actually no. We're gonna leave some space for the sink. Sink here. Let's get down some marble counters. No, we're just gonna expand this. No. Did we just show him? Okay. What are we gonna do? Wait, where did my double sink go? I got a double sink. Oh my god. Wait, now we're stuck. Why don't we actually just cook this thing? Okay. Well, it's time to actually get natural. Let's do this. Yeah, okay, there's our double sink. There's our double sink. Got another marble counter. Wait, I want to expand our place a little. I'm gonna do this. Could go furniture. Could go marble counter. Go this. Gonna go appliances. Double sink. Go here. Order stand. Marble counters. Okay, delete this. Marble counter corner. No. Delete. Appliances. We gotta do a marble counter here. We do a sink here. Go back. Go another marble counter. This time we go over here. Do this. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's how you do it. Well, that's how I do it. No, oh my god. You can't reset your character in this game. It's actually annoying. I'm actually stuck here. What the heck? I'm actually stuck. You guys help me out here. I'm actually stuck. We still have to buy some. Okay. We have to leave the game, I guess. But we also have to get 3 more marble counters because we're not having 3 wooden counters. I don't like wooden stuff unless it's the wooden chairs. Let's get here. Go here. Let's get 3 marble counters. Let's go back. Wait, the expect is butterfly dude is actually online. Not on my server though. It's kind of sad. Let's go on here. Go delete these wooden counters. Add these marble counters. I'm gonna have to when I have a lot of money. I'm gonna have to change these marble counters to stainless counters, but that's a lot of money. Stainless counters are very expensive, and the only reason why I expand that so much because I want to put these bar stools here so more people can sit here. And yeah, so that's my this is my second floor. Since we have more floors, we need more chefs, so let's hire Jack. And we need more waiters. And we can't hire anybody because we're poor right now. Well, let's just get money till we get our waiters. Till we get our waiter and probably just finish the video. I really like my second floor now. Just a bunch more red booths and modern tables. Our restaurant isn't even full yet, and there's so much people. Bob and David are literally doing so much work. You're the man right now. Try to get a lot money because, yeah, just trying to do stuff here. All I want is another waiter. Like, I just want a better second floor and the minigun. Let's go over here. Let's enter this. Let's go over here. Let's do this. Jack, come on, you gotta level up, man. You're only level 1. Let's give this sushi to this person right here. Be on the second floor because there's more people on the second floor. I don't know why. Maybe second floor is new. Second floor is new, and they want better ordering, better service. We're so close. Oh yeah, when they get the beard, they are basically as good as you now. So it's pretty good. Come on, man, we're almost done. Now I'm working on the first floor because there's more people on the first floor. I think this game is a lot better than Restaurant Tycoon. Because in Restaurant Tycoon, you can't, like, you don't even have to do anything. You can just go AFK. But in this game, you actually have to do anything. You have to do stuff. Or else, because your chefs and waiters are actually worse than you. So, you don't have to just sit there, go AFK, and design your restaurant. Because all you need to do in Restaurant Tycoon is design your restaurant. I think this game is a lot better. Bro, we have so much stoves right now. Alright, let's go. We got enough to buy a waiter. New staff, Thomas and Jack. Yay, Thomas. Thomas, when you're working here, you have to work super hard. Because we're crazy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.